Get up and stop complaining. Come on, let's go. Where are we going, bud? The mountains. All right, let's go. Mila, you ready? Guess I'll be going by myself. Can't get anybody to come outside. Somehow, I'm always the one that's holding everybody up. Nobody is out here but me. We haven't even got out of Greensboro yet, and Laura's already complaining about driving up the mountain, that beach mountain.
I hate it.
Bored already. Say, I wouldn't get bored so soon. We still got a long ways to go. We just got to Winston. Somebody's out like a light. First sight of mountains. I don't remember Wilkesboro being this busy. Like, no idea what's going on here. Like, why is there so much traffic in Wilkesboro and back like towards Winston and Greensboro? Finally going up. Ears are starting to pop. The Blue Ridge Parkway. Dang, Beans is a little busy. Jesus. Would you look at that? Andrew was right. There's a 2 stories Wendy's. What are you doing, Mimi?
I know that.
You think that's us?
No,
Earth. That's the United States. I'm coming. You go. You see that? They're moving.
These are huge and red.
What is it?
Yeah, the people.
You think it's the people?
So come here, bud.
I do ask, there's another.
Come here.
Struggle is real.
Open it. Look at you. What is supposed to do? There's a switch. You driving the tractor, bud? They don't actually run, bud. Look, so Mr. Hill is kind of a bust. It's like $40 for us to go in, and it lasts for like, what do you say, 15 minutes?
Maybe.
I don't remember it being that expensive, but either way, at least Killian and Mila got to experience the room of vortex. So we just ate here. I do not recommend anyone ever coming here to eat. So not only was the food terrible, but the time we got sat till now getting in this car, it's been about an hour and a half in a Mexican restaurant. That is insanity. The food had no flavor whatsoever. I didn't even feel like filming it.
It was bad.
Don't go there. You ready to see the mountains, bud?
Yeah.
Yeah, look out the window.
Yeah, I see it. Look out.
You want to go look at it?
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go over here and check them out.
Okay.
Let's go. And where? What are you going there for? That's a bar. So what do you guys think about the mountains?
Jillian, do you like the mountains?
Yeah, but do jump, buddy, jump, buddy.
Boone is extremely busy also.
Yeah.
So now, we're gonna take Bud to the general store. Yay, Bud! Lord, I messed up. She done told Bud that the general store has a bunch of candy.
Yeah.
Do you like candy?
Yeah.
Candy! Come on, Grace. 15 minutes.
At least we made it. It's not our fault. It closes at 6 now. Hey, what do you see, Bud?
Candy.
You're mind blown. Of course you found a train. Is that Bubba City? What do you think, Mimi?
What's the chair?
See the RC cooler? Where's the moon pie?
I had one of those too. This is what he's talking about.
Okay, yeah. This time around.
Listen, you can pick out one thing to get, and that's it.
So what you gonna get? Better choose wisely.
I think the most expensive thing possible.
Beep, beep.
Is that what that
So what, what kind of noise does that make?
Chili, what's the dinosaur thing?
What do you think about all this candy, Bud?
But
But I don't see the Mickey Mouse.
It's back up front. Come on, let's go. There it is.
Ah, damn.
Yeah, you found it. All right, let's go get it. Our time has come to an end. We are heading back home at this point.